Good morning, friendly koi keepers. Happy Easter. What a fabulous weekend. Sunny, glorious. Now, things are all good on the koi front, but I'm going to make this quick. You want to look at your koi because it's that time of year when they can get sick quick. Why? Because we're coming out of a cold spell into warmth, spring, summer. The parasites will kick off. They'll wake up, and things to look for. Look at this pond. Everything's looking good, isn't it? But just watch. If you look at what they do, they've already fed, so they might not come up as quick. They're all behaving normally. Okay, they're all feeding. But look for abnormal behaviour. Look in this bottom corner here. See this koi? That's not normal behaviour. So that one's coming out today. Water's being tested because ammonia might have got out. I don't know yet. I don't think it is. Probably a parasite, and I'm putting my money on fluke if it is. So water tests, scrapes this afternoon for this pond. So be vigilant. Don't sit on it. Clear sign. It's not flashing or anything at all, but it's sulking. Not eating, sulking. Why? Might be a bit off, I don't know, because of the temperature change. But anyway, I'll see. Have a great weekend. Be vigilant. It's the message.